Alright guys, Carolina Kev, we're back out in the shop. We're going to finally start the journey on the Impala. Got a little sidetracked with another project that's going on over there, but I want to try and get some footage of this car up and for you guys to see. So we're going to do a quick walk around. This car's been sitting for 30 years and it's been moved twice, but I haven't really been inside of it. So it's going to be an adventure. We'll do a walk around together. I'll point out where I know a lot of the work needs to be done on it, and then we'll check out the inside. We'll do a full walk around and assess the situation, and we'll go from there. All right, we're going to start at the trunk, because I already have it open. I know this is the worst section that needs the most work. Where the gasket used to be, it's Swiss cheese. We'll fix that. That's the original gas tank. That is the original spare rim and spare bias ply tire to this car. There's a lot of other little junk, the license plate, wiring, taillights for the rear bumper, which I have a brand new set up in my storage space. You see the trunk's pretty solid, has the original sticker still on it. Yeah, but that's the worst, is the Swiss cheese. Then we got some weight reduction Swiss cheese going on the rear quarter panel. Let's see what's inside. Oh, and these are my original keychains from when I bought the car. Pop it open, see what we got going on. Alrighty, got my fuzzy dice. It's a piece of silk plate trim. I believe I have all the original components to this car, whether they're in storage or not. This is the original factory interior. I'm not sure if I can get in close enough to see the speedo. We got 80,416 miles. It's a no AC car. As you can see in the headliner, we got some squatters that were living up there for a while in the back over there. Back seat, like I said, everything's original, and it's been sitting for a while. So, but all the door panels and everything look great. They clean. They just got it cleaned up. We got some Swiss cheese going on the floor over here. I'll show you that. And then we got some Swiss cheese there. Door panels are all good. See most of the body is solid, which is that. That's the driver's side. At the front, we got all the trim around the windows, all original, intact. The front firewall. Go around with the passenger side. I do have all the trim, except for there's a lower piece of trim that goes on the rocker. I don't think I have all the pieces. Got a little bit of Swiss cheese going on right here. Other than that, the roof is all solid. This side, got more Swiss cheese in the rear quarter and the lower rocker over there. See what we got on the passenger side. We got some bumper brackets. This toolbox I know is full of all the hardware. Let's see what we got in the glove box. The original owner's manual. Tissues. I don't know what those are. Gravity cologne. Rocking it from the roller rink. Scotch tape. BAB. Some light bulbs. Let's see if there's anything underneath the back seat. We got a steering link. Some ratchet straps. Some loose change. But again, you can see pretty solid. That's all rust, not rot. All solid. Rockers are all solid. Door jambs are all solid. So we're doing pretty good. So the next step of this is we're going to clean all this excess stuff out. And we're going to assess all the damage. I'm in the market right now. The whole rear tail section, including that trunk rail, which you can't get anywhere, reproduction. I'm also working out a deal for both rear quarter panels or possibly a full chassis body just like this as a donor car for parts. I'm just waiting for them to get back to me. All right, so now we're just going to start clearing everything out. We're going to gut the interior except for the dashboard. The floor is going to come out, headliner is going to come out because I got to assess the damage. I know I'm going to need a driver's side front floor pan, probably a passenger side. I know the behind the rear seat is solid. Both lower rear quarters, the trunk rail, and hopefully that's it. We'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you follow, like, subscribe, post comments. Like I said, I'm new at this, so if anybody's got any advice or places to get parts, I got a bunch of leads. If anybody needs some information on parts, they're getting hard to come by, but they are still available. And we'll go from there. Thank you.